So hey guys, it's editing me. I'm actually editing right now, and I realized it's a lot of montages and a lot of b-roll in this vlog. So I actually don't really talk until like a few minutes in. So I just wanted to intro the vlog. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. This vlog is basically 2 days in my life. So this vlog, like I mentioned, has a lot of b-roll in it. We go to Michael's. We're gonna make Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treats in this vlog. We're gonna do a lot of party prep in this vlog for Brixley's first birthday. Brixley's my daughter, her first birthday. It's actually Monday night right now. Her party is on Sunday, so we are down to the wire. I get more into detail about that and why I've been missing for a day or two here on Vlogmas, but I want to get this vlog up tonight. So editing me here saying welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, as always, girl, welcome back. Also, make sure you're subscribed by hitting that little red subscribe button down below, and you might as well turn on your post notifications, because even though I'm doing the 21 days of luxury unboxings here on my channel and I'm doing vlogs like this, I promise it will be 21 luxury items unboxed by the end of December. But make sure you're subscribed, and yeah, let's get into this montage. And thank you guys so much for watching. Yeah, there's definitely going to be no outro to the video either, I just realized. So in advance, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Happy Monday. Ooh. So the last 2 days of my life, I just did not feel like getting on camera. Yesterday I touched up my hair. Basically, I just montaged a whole bunch of stuff. I was trying to keep up with Vlogmas, and the problem is that I'm planning my daughter. If you're new here, I have a daughter. Brixley. Her first birthday is December 22nd, but her first birthday party is December 18th. So I'm in the midst of planning that. If you didn't know, I'm a semi-event planner. I take it pretty serious. So I was trying to like save all the party kind of stuff for a specific vlog, and then that was messing up Vlogmas for me because I literally wasn't uploading every day because I was like, no, I'm saving everything I did today for the birthday prep vlog. And then I was like, you know what? No, we're just gonna put it all together. Well, no, we're not going to put it all together. We're just going to, every day, whatever I'm doing, I'm just going to show y'all. We still have 21 days of luxury unboxings. You can count them. I'm going to unbox 21 items before the end of December. What did I show you guys in the montage? I went to Michael's, got the stuff to make Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treats. Today, I built this 3-foot balloon mosaic. I built it because I wanted to see what balloons to put in it or how I wanted to design it with balloons, if that makes sense. I showed you guys I was designing the board for Brixley, like her first milestone board. I don't know. I was showing you guys that I was designing it, but here it is. So Rasandra just dropped it off. So now I have to put it in a frame. Yeah, I've just been doing a lot of party stuff. A lot of Christmas stuff. I think I've montaged wrapping Christmas gifts. I definitely was wrapping birthday gifts, but I think I wrapped some Christmas gifts too. Yesterday I got my tree, or the day before, and I was gonna vlog, and I just was not in the mood. But we're here now because we are going to finish Vlogmas. I still have to decorate my tree. We still have a ton of party stuff to do. So it's Monday. I don't know if I said that already. And I just did my lashes with the Falscara from Kiss. I really like it. I definitely wouldn't say, I think I said this in the last, no, I don't know if I mentioned this, but the girls on TikTok were saying like, get rid of your lash tech. Definitely don't, but they definitely work. I like using them for like, I put them on today and they'll last me like 4 or 5 days, so I can shoot content and not have to worry about putting on lashes, which always takes me the longest. So I got myself together between yesterday and today. I wanted to color my roots so that I can film the blowout tutorial this week for you guys. It's Monday night, by the way. It's not Monday. It's not the middle of the day on Monday. Yeah, it's 5:30. Oh, let me show you guys what I got from Michael's. Hold on. So I feel dumb because my camera was just on a different mode for like, I don't know how long. So hopefully it picked up everything else I was saying. And I don't know. The other day it was really weird. I recorded some content and I don't know. It just like disappeared. It disappeared from the memory card. Like it just disappeared. I don't know. It was really weird. It was like I had never recorded it, but I did record it because I watched it back on the camera, but it wasn't on the camera or the memory card. So it was really weird. So yesterday, when I didn't want to be on camera, I showed you guys like the party stuff that I got at Michael's because like I said, I thought I was going to be doing a dedicated party planning vlog, but we're not. So let me show you the other stuff I picked up at Michael's. That's super cute. So basically all these things, well, it's only 3 things. Basically these 3 things I picked up. If you watch my normal unboxing videos on my channel, the setup behind me, like where I sit, I wanted to add like a little bit of decor there. I've been playing with that little area. So the first thing I picked up is this little girl. You see, when I be trying, things don't be working. So I'm gonna show you the other way. Real quick, everybody wrapping gifts, go out and get you one of these. My mom laughed at me like a year ago when I bought it. I really bought it for crafting and doing balloon garlands. That's really what I bought it for. But it like literally clips on to anywhere when you're wrapping gifts. So yeah, invest in that. And like it swivels. I don't know. I'm amazed by that. But let's get back to what I picked up. So the first thing I got is this cute little ceramic little decor that says but first coffee, because if you know me, before everything is coffee. Then the next thing I got for that little area is this gold A. I thought this was really cute. This is also, I'm guessing, ceramic or glass. This was $14.99. Neither of these things were on sale. None of this stuff was on sale. And this was $7.99. I thought this would be like really cute behind me on there, like a little A, a little vibe. And then the last thing I got, I don't know what I'm really gonna do with this, but I thought it was cute. So I was like in the gold mode, and I'm really not being. Some days I like gold, some days I like silver, and clearly I mix metals. Well, why won't it focus? My wedding band and my engagement ring are white gold, and then I have the yellow Cartier. So yeah, I like to mix metals, but I thought this was super cute, this little like tray. So I don't know what we're gonna put in it, but we're gonna put it up there too. So that's basically what I got from Michael's that was not craft related, that I did not show you guys. I am going to eat Chinese food, I do know that. I think I might try to edit this vlog. I think I'm gonna try to edit this vlog, so, or edit something so that I can have an upload today. I don't know. The thing with my vlogs is I be thinking like I don't be doing nothing, but then I be doing stuff, and then I'm like, damn, I should have vlogged what I did, but I didn't do it. I mean, I didn't vlog it, and then when I'm ready to vlog, I don't want to vlog. But yeah, it's super overwhelming. If you didn't know, my birthday is December 28th, and my whole life, I didn't hate my birthday. My family and my loved ones always made sure it was separate, but it's just very overwhelming to have a birthday, Christmas, and now my daughter's birthday. So it's a super, and New Year's, all in like a 9-day span. So super overwhelming. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys later.